Hi, my name is Oliver. We are going to start this video, my first number one in the race YouTube video. We are going to start over here, but we have a glitchy cow that we want to take care of right now. As you can see, he's floating like 7 blocks above the track on a roller coaster at a doggy daycare in a flat world thing. So, as you can see, he's floating very obnoxiously above the tracks, as you can see. But surprisingly, if I stand on the tracks, he just hovers back the other way, which is very odd. And I do not want to break the tracks and derail him. That means he will probably suffocate somehow. This is a major glitch. Major.
Okay. I would show him the trains.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I'll just let the cow get motion sick over here on this roller coaster.
And then act like our dog and throw up. Okay, what just happened? So as you can see, I even got beds for dogs. Okay, it's about to auto. By the way, I almost said I did not build this. I built it, but I didn't. I did not
design it.
Design it. Thank you. There will be a link in the description. I always get that on how to build one of these trains. That black white rail thing over there is not one of Crafty Fox's things. And also, I built that myself, so please don't try and build that. You will probably get crushed by an anvil. Even though I don't think you can die in creative mode. As you can see, I'm in creative mode. Only mode that you can fly in. Pretty much. So, this is a... What is this car called? Oh, no, never mind. This is a gondola. That's a SCP box car. As you can see, over there is the SCP thing. I'm going to show you that in a couple minutes. Obviously, I just did this pattern because I thought I liked it. And, so today I'm just going to be giving you a tour on not how to build this, but I'm just going to show you what I did in the past, 7 months or so. As you already know, this is my first YouTube video. It's a rail car. I'm also making another one of these, so if you want me to finish building one of these right there on the siding, then hit that like and subscribe button as any other YouTube video YouTuber says. Like Mortal Gaming, Smokies, or Brandon, Cookie. I love them so much. Okay, so, if you guys want to watch me build this train, then you can stay here, but if you don't want to, then just skip to...
We're at 3 minutes and 44 seconds.
And 10 minutes...
No.
And 22 seconds. I mean, maybe not, because we're still trying to work this out.
Right now, you're just giving a tour of the trains that you built.
Yeah, and 10 minutes and 24 seconds at the video speed, we're going to start. Puppy daycare, my house, that is...
We'll do a second video for those.
Okay. And the SCP Foundation over there. And also free at all that I was doing another
This is a video of a glitchy cow.
Yes.
And a train.
The main theory of this is going to be Glitchy, Mr. Glitch Cow. Name him Mr. Glitch Cow. And also, if you want to see the name of my puppy daycare, Dr. King. It's short for Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. From Atlanta, Georgia. I don't know that much about him. So we're open from on Monday, 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock, Tuesday, 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock, Thursday 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and Friday 5 o'clock to 1 o'clock. It's not that long. Oh, I should also make...
He's only 8, so he's not going to be
Yeah,
able to do a full business day at doggy daycare.
Yeah, that's not going to take me hours in this video. So I don't want to make it 1 hour and 77 seconds. I mean, like 50. Like 50. Or something like that. Alright, so we need to wrap this up in like a couple minutes. So as you can see, I built a bridge over here. So there is going to be 3 links in the description below on how to build the boxcar. You don't have to copy that. Just do what Crafty Fox does. The gondola, and then there's the CSX something 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 / something. So here's the bridge. I also have a little mini freight yard over here.
Some siding, parking lot.
This is the street. That was another invention of weirdness, oddness also.
I think it was a lightning rod.
Yeah, lightning rod. One day I got inspired by myself for doing nothing and then just oddly building this little area. Supposed to put the passport card in here. It's going to be closed right here unless the people behind the desk get the passport card and zip it on the wall or whatever. And they'll open the gate and let you go through and check out this stuff. And also, after the 3 failures of our trying super hard to make the other 3 videos that did not work. SCP-888 Creeper, there's a chest right here that I took down, and also forget about this little passage that leads in here where we'll put the creepers. And
This is an unfinished room.
very, very, very unfinished, and also you said that in the other 2 videos. Not to be rude though.
Okay.
And also in one of our Lego...
All right, thank you.